Hi, I am a tutor in Uplas. Today we are going to discuss about supervisory control acquisition and data acquisition system security. So SCADA security in the highlight of cyber warfare and cyber specification based payload generation for programmable logic controllers are the two references. Supervisory control and data acquisition SCADA, real-time industrial process control system to monitor and control remote or local industrial equipment, vital components of most nations' critical infrastructures, risk of deliberate attacks. SCADA systems, 1990, mainframe computer supervision, 1970, general purpose operating system, 1990, off-the-shelf computing, highly distributed with central control, field devices control local operations. SCADA components, corporate network segment, typical IT network, SCADA network segment, servers and workstations to interact with field devices, human machine interfaces, operators, software validation, field device segments, programmable logic controllers, PLC, remote terminal units, intelligent electronic devices. So we have the workstations, SCADA server and the app, PLCs, and batch processing, motor, pressure relief, valve, fired heaters, pressure sensors, boilers. The typical SCADA and PLC overview. Process control system, controller, PLC RTU, control sensor actuators, source is www.clcrt.cl, seminario, US search Chile, 2007 final, version PPT. We have the visualization SCADA server, monitor and configure test, add to it. Safety system, we have the visualization SCADA, monitor, configuration test, the control here, and what are the various stopping mechanisms, actuators, sensors, controller, PLC or TU. SCADA and PLC overview, ladder logic overview. What is ladder logic? Why is the programming language of choice for automated control systems? SCADA incidents, flaws and mistakes, 1996, General Soviet Union Publishers Director, 4000 related cancer death, 1999, Whatcom Creeks, Washington, US pipeline rupture, spilling 237 gallon, 1,000 gallon of gasoline that ignited 3 women life and aquatic life. 2003, Northeast blockout of US and Canada affected 55 million people, 11 death. 2011, Fukushima Daiichi nuclear disaster, Japan, loss of human lives, cancer, psychological distress. Who would attack SCADA? Attackers, script kiddies, hackers, organized crime, discontented insiders, completers, terrorists, activists, eco-terrorists, national states. SCADA security, perimeter protection, firewall, IPS, VPN, AB, host IDs, host AB, DMZ, interior security, firewall, IDS, VPN, AB, host IDS, host AB, NAC, scanning, monitor, management. Programmable logic controllers, computer-based solid-state devices, control industrial equipment and processes, regulate process flow, automobile assembly line, have physical effect. Related works, security working groups for various infrastructure sector of water, electricity, and natural gas, US Department of Energy and Homeland Security, investigation into problem domain of the SCADA systems. Traditionally, vendors focused on functionality and used physical security measures. An attempt was made to try to match physical security mechanisms online. Vulnerability classification by affected technology, classification by errors and mistake, classification by enabled attack scenarios. SCADA and PLC security increased risk to SCADA systems introduces another element of risk to the PLC and all of the control elements. PLCs dictate the functionality of the process. PLC programming software and SCADA control software can be housed on the same machine. Newest PLC hardware devices allow for direct access to the PLC through the network. We have these hardware devices, influences supplies data, tables, influences supply data, PLC, SCADA PC, influences supply data, SCADA system control flow is shown in this diagram. And there is a feedback from PLC to SCADA PC through SCADA's visit to tables. And there is a feedback from tables to hardware devices. There is a feedback from PLC to tables. So here the flows are shown. Prior to next attack 2010, it was believed any cyber attack, targeted or not, would be detected by IT security technologies. Need standard be implemented that would allow novice and experience-based performance and code against a set of rules. How do we show that PLC code can be verified, validated to assist the mitigation of current and future security risks and errors? Application of test points. Okay. Code review tool number 1, risk analysis. 2, penetration testing. 3, risk-based security test. 4, abuse cases. 5, security requirements. 6, security operations. 7, and requirement and use cases, architecture design, test plans, scope, test and results, feedback from the field. Many of them go through the external review. PLC security framework, PLC SF, PLC code compiler output correct. Yes means it will go to security static analysis. No means it will come back to compiler. Vulnerability found. Yes means correct the code and then tweet it to the PLC code and it goes to the entire process. If no means it is uploaded. Static analysis tool compiler or flow. PLC security framework. PLC security vulnerability taxonomy. Design patterns, severity chart, taxonomy engine, design pattern engine, severity engine, static analysis tool, vulnerability patterns, vulnerability severity, output list of vulnerabilities associated, design patterns, severity level. Input existing PLC program. Components PLC security vulnerability design pattern severity tests, chart engines, taxonomy engines, design pattern engine, and severity engine. Vulnerabilities analysis, attack severity analysis, build the vulnerability taxonomy, potential exploitation of the coding errors, modeling PLC vulnerabilities. Attack severity analysis, severity chart. Each row of severity chart represents a different level of security risk within the PLC error found. The error levels range from A to D, with A being the most severe and D being the least severe. Each column represents the effects which can occur in the PLC and those that can occur in the SCADA system PC. Attack severity levels A, B, C, D, effects in PLC, effects in SCADA. A, severity level A, effects in PLC, PLC code will not perform the desired task. Effects in SCADA will not allow for remote operation of the process. Severity B, effects in PLC, serious entrance to the process. Effects in SCADA, the process could experience intermittent process failure. Severity C adversely affects PLC code performance. A minimal cost effect to the project, but a quick fix is possible. Effects in SCADA data shown on the SCADA screen is most likely false. Severity D affects the credibility of the system, but the PLC code is operable. Incorrect data could be randomly reported because a lack of confidence in the system. Attack severity analysis, severity classifications, severity level A could potentially cause all or part of a critical process to become non-functional. Severity level B could potentially cause all or part of a critical process to perform erratically. Severity level C denote quick fixes. Severity D provide false or misrepresented information to the SCADA terminal. Building the vulnerability taxonomy, the purpose to aid the process of detecting this vulnerability in the PLC code intended to be extensible, created such that it can be expanded as future versions of PLC are created, new errors are found. Building the vulnerability taxonomy, level 1, design level errors. Level 2, hardware-based physical error, software-based virtual error. Level 3, logic errors, duplicate objects installed, unused objects, hidden jumpers. Level 4, placement and element component errors, scope and linkage errors, course and rug jumpers. Level 5, beginning of rug functions, end of rug functions. Level 6, normally open and normally closed contacts, comparative functions, timer functions, counter functions, program flow instruction, mathematical functions, data handling functions. So duplicate objects installed. Building the vulnerability, software-based virtual errors, logic errors, duplicate objects installed, and unused objects, hidden objects, vulnerability taxonomy, software-based virtual errors. Potential exploitation of coding errors. Error type, process critical nuisance, taxonomic classification, duplicate object installed, malicious user opportunity, alteration of one or more of the duplicate objects. Error type, process critical, taxonomic classification, unused objects, malicious user opportunity, preloaded variables allow for an immediate entry point into the system. Error type, process critical, taxonomic classification, scope and linkage errors, malicious user opportunity, installation of jump to subroutines command, which would alter the intended file-to-file interaction. Error type, process critical, taxonomic classification, logical errors, malicious user opportunity, immediate entry point to logic level components such as timers, counters, and arithmetic operations. Error type, process critical, nuisance, taxonomic classification, hidden jumpers, malicious user opportunity would allow a replacement point for a system bypass. SABAT impact on PLC attacks, software-based exploits of SCADA, understanding of industrial control systems, specification-based attacks against Boolean operations and timers is called SABAT. SABAT attack encode understanding of the band's behavior into a specification. SABAT downloads existing code control logic from the victim. SABAT finds mapping between the specific devices and the variable within the control logic. SABAT generates malicious PLC payload. Thank you.